Hold up. Just take a look at these two photos. On one side, we have a flat daylight shot crowded with tourists, and honestly, it looks a bit mediocre, doesn't it? But now, look at the one on the right. Cinematic, luxurious, and looking like a high-end fashion shoot in Tokyo at night. What if I told you this massive transformation took exactly 10 seconds and required zero Photoshop skills? Don't look away, because I'm about to reveal the secret sauce that top-tier creators are using to dominate social media right now. Hey everyone, welcome back to Benedict AI World. I'm Benedict, and I'm always on the hunt for the latest AI tools that actually help us make money and save hours of work. If that's your vibe too, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now to join our community. Today, we're breaking down a tool that turns you into a professional photographer, even if you're just shooting on your phone. Don't skip a second, because the editor settings I'm about to share are a total game changer. We've all been there. You take a selfie you actually like, but the background is messy, or the lighting is just terrible. Usually, we'd just delete it, right? But today, we're heading to Enhancer.ai. Pro tip, open this in Chrome on your desktop so you can see every single detail as we work. Now, most people just click buttons randomly, not us. Inside the editor section, you'll find 5 AI engines. Think of these as different camera lenses for different styles. Nano Banana, your daily driver. It's fast, clean, and stable. Seedream 4 and Seedream 4.5. These are your art directors. If you want that expensive blurry background, the bokeh, and realistic skin, these are your go-to choices. Flux Context Pro, for that high-end luxury look. Think Rolex or Tesla ads super sharp. Quen Image Plus, perfect for when you want to get creative and try something a bit more artistic or experimental. Let's do something the other guys aren't doing. I'm going to take a basic outdoor photo and turn it into a high-fashion night shoot in Tokyo. I'm selecting Seedream 4.5 and typing Editorial Fashion Photography. Blurred Shinjuku street background with vibrant bokeh, soft moonlight on face, cinematic color grading. Set the aspect ratio to 1:1, hit generate, and let's see how the AI handles our taste. Oh man, do you see the light reflecting in her eyes? That is insane. It actually placed the girl in a completely different city, but her face still looks exactly like her. Most AI tools turn the main character into a plastic alien, but here, the skin texture is perfectly preserved. That's the difference between a cheap tool and a powerful one. Now, you might be thinking, Benedict, I don't have time to write prompts. I totally get it. Just scroll down to the photo effects section. This is basically cheat mode. Let's try the studio effect. I'll upload this photo of a guy in a plain t-shirt. Hit generate, just one click. That's it. Look at that. It added a professional studio backdrop and a perfect 3-point lighting setup. You could literally sell this as a service on Fiverr. Before we talk about the price, check this out. See that annoying watermark in this image? The one-click remover here handles it incredibly cleanly. And the Enhance feature? It's like giving your photo a double shot of espresso, instant clarity and sharpness. So, is it worth it? At $29 a month for 2,000 credits, it's a steal for creators. If you're running a business, the yearly plan saves you even more. I've put the link in the description for you to check out. Did this video change how you look at photo editing? Let me know in the comments. Are you team write prompts or team one click? Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Benedict, and I'll see you in the future. Peace.